Let me ask you this right now. Are you struggling to find success online? Are you sick and tired of spending money on paid ads, buying courses about the next greatest thing with poor results? When you should really be doing this, look at Darryl Montague, $20,000 in 45 days. Look at Mario, $1,500 per sale. Look at this beginner, $3,500 in 3 months without being technically inclined. So what are these beginners doing to get these kind of results? Well, it's not the same old e-commerce, Facebook advertising, YouTube, affiliate marketing, blogging, consulting, or any of those other ultra competitive ways. And this isn't just a few people that are having great results. We have over 300 raving reviews. Jermaine, another $3,500 in 3 months. Rob, $15,000 sold, featured on American Express. Benjamin, 7 apps sold, $200 each. What we've done is developed a complete A to Z system for selling the hottest product in town, and that's mobile apps. Now, businesses are suffering to get their message heard. A mobile app provides the solution they need and will ease their pain right now. With push notifications, you get 90% plus open rates and huge engagement while sending special promotions and efforts. Coupons and loyalty cards. Digital loyalty is huge right now. You can offer small businesses the same service that previously only big companies like Starbucks and companies could use. Video and audio gallery, perfect to showcase your products and service interactively within your app. Share your podcast with the world. But here's the problem. Developing an app can cost thousands of dollars and be incredibly difficult, but we've truly cracked the code and developed an A to Z system giving you all the tools you need. That's why Mark says over $10,497 selling apps in the past 3 months, and I'm a beginner everyday guide. So let me introduce you to Mobile Agency Apps, a true complete all-in-one package to get you started today. Now, Mobile Agency Apps helps you become a world-recognized mobile app building company without ever writing a line of code.